Hi, DJ Hurley from MKFM, and if you've ever hit play on a banger only to find that your transition sounds like a dogfight between two bagpipes, you've probably experienced a key clash. Let's fix that. Today I'm breaking down harmonic mixing, the method that I personally use to make sure that every transition sounds clean, professional, and musically satisfying. So what is harmonic mixing? In simple terms, harmonic mixing is about blending tracks that are musically compatible in the same key or a closely related key so that your transitions flow without clashing chords or kind of awkward bass line clashes. Unless you've got perfect pitch, and I definitely don't, you'll need a little help figuring out what key each track is in. That's where tools like Recordbox, Tractor, Serato, or dedicated software like Mixed In Key come in. They scan your music and assign a musical key to each track. Now here's where it gets cool. We use something called the Camelot Wheel, which is actually a variation of a long existing tool called the Circle of Fifths. It always makes me think of ye olden times, like you should hear Mordor or Middle Earth or be in some episode of Game of Thrones or something when I hear that.
The Circle of Fifths.
Side note, I've never ever seen Game of Thrones. I've not seen one episode. Let me know in the comments if I'm not alone on this. Is that the same for you? Or am I like the only one on the planet? Anyway, back to the Camelot Wheel. It looks like a clock with labels 1A to 12A for minor keys and 1B to 12B for major keys. This form of notation replaces but represents musical keys. So if a track is 8A, that's A minor. If it's 9A, it's E minor, 7A, that's D minor, and so on. From 8A, you can mix into 7A, one step down, or 9A, one step up, and even 8B, which is the major relative. It's not as good. All of those are harmonically safe though. Well, because harmonic mixing makes your sets feel intentional, bass lines don't clash, vocals don't sound off, and melodies blend like butter. It's that polished sound that makes people go, mate, that transition was clean. Time for some pro tips. So these are the tricks that I use when I really want to elevate the mix, when I want to step it up a level. Tip 1, energy boosts. You can actually jump 2 steps up the Camelot Wheel to increase the energy level. So from 8A jump to 10A. It's still compatible, but it does add a lift. Use it when the music supports it, so don't force it. Tip 2, energy drops. Same idea, but 2 steps down. Perfect for when you're wanting to wind things down or switching the vibe a bit in your set. Go from 10A back to 8A. Smooth, subtle drop. Tip 3, and this one's not mentioned a lot, the Camelot opposite. Every key has a direct opposite on the wheel. 8A's opposite is 2B. It's not technically harmonic, but if you use a breakdown or a filter sweep, you can make the shift sound intentional. It's bold and works when done right. Tip 4, key shifting. So tools like Recordbox and Serato let you nudge a track's key manually. Match 2 tracks that wouldn't normally work together. Great in studio sets or sparingly in live ones. Don't go too far though. It can make your tunes sound a little bit warped. Final tip. Trust your ears. Just because 8A into 9A should work doesn't mean it will. The numbers help, but the music decides. I use harmonic mixing personally in nearly every set that I play, from trance to house to breaks to old school. It does give me control over the vibe and energy. I'm not just playing tracks, I'm telling a musical story, and harmonic mixing is how I make it all flow. So give it a go next time you prep. Analyze your tracks, organize your crates and playlists, and build transitions that feel good. It's not about rules, it's about tools. Tools that help you sound amazing. And hey, if this helped, do me a favor and hit the like button, drop a comment, we have a conversation about it, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks, and mixes. And thank you to all of you who already subscribe. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM, and until next time, keep spinning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the mix.